Hi, this is Jake with Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be quickly showing you a couple different ways to close out your position and delete orders on the IG Forex trading platform. Now, before I do begin, I would like to mention that if you are interested in trying out an absolutely free Forex trading platform, you'd like to give something new, feel free to take a look at the card that is displaying on the top of your YouTube video right now, or take a look at the description below, which will bring you to a direct link of the demo sign up page for the IG trading platform. So if you're interested, go ahead, check it out, and demo it for absolutely free. Now on to the video. Like I did mention, we will be taking a look at a couple different ways on how to close out your positions on this platform, as well as to delete any pending orders. So let's start with our chart here. I will maximize it, and as you can see, I have placed a couple different orders through my chart previously. As you can see, we do have our indicator here displaying across the screen, showing me where my current position in the market is. Now, for those of you that do typically trade through the chart, you may want to close out your positions directly through the chart as well, if you'd like. Once this indicator of the price level is displaying on your screen, this will and should automatically appear once you do place an order. Simply click on our indicator on the left hand side here. You can see -7 lots and my current dollar, my profits and loss. If I left click that, you will get the close button, the green close button. This will allow you to close out your position directly from your chart. Left clicking it. As you can see, it just simply closed out my lot of 7 at the current price it was filled at. And we do get our status message that it was closed. Now, let's say, for example, you are looking at another chart or you need to monitor all of your positions at once. There is a convenient location on the sidebar here. Now, this will be useful, for example, if you do trade multiple Forex instruments at the same time. The reason the chart is nice is because if you do only view the one contract, you can close it directly through there. But let's say, for example, I had the euro versus US dollar here. Then I open up the British pound versus US dollar. I wouldn't be able to monitor both positions at the same time. So because of that, we can, again, come down to our positions in the menu here. Left click, and we do get a list of all available positions. Now, this is also nice because, as you can see, we do get a further breakdown of the different profits and losses here, the current prices, our size. We can adjust stop loss and take profits here as well, and it is much easier than going through the chart. So if you'd like, you can simply just click the drop down menu, either manually adjust using the arrows or manually typing in as needed. And if you'd like, you can just simply click set stop, and it will set that take profit or that stop loss leg for you. And then as you can see, if you click the plus, it'll show the breakdown of every single trade in that lot. So we did place 2 separate orders of 1, making it the overall size of 2. But as you can see, they were filled at 2 different prices. So if we'd like, we can close out individually by clicking close. And as you can see, it did close my 1 position at the current price level. Or if I wanted to close them all at the same time, although it just did disappear because I did close out the simultaneous positions, there was the close all button. So when you do have multiple positions at once, you can simply click the close all, and it will close all positions at the same exact time. Let's head back to our chart quickly. So as you can see, if I do put a pending order in, I can put it good till date. For example, we'll put it for tonight at almost 12 a.m. If we do put a price level that is quite high above the market, 1.16 we'll place, and we'll place a sell order for a limit. As you can see, we do sell the 4 lots as I designated in my size. And as you see, because it is a pending order and has not been filled yet, it is not established as a position. If you need to close out any position before it is actually filled in the market, you'll see we do have that indicator, but it does not designate any profits and losses. nor does it show that it is filled. If we click on it directly through the chart, as you can see, similar to when our position was actually filled and we did have a real position, instead of the close button, we do have the delete button, which does behave in the exact same manner. We'll place the same trade one more time just to demonstrate it through our sidebar here, placing the order. As you can see, we'll place a buy this time. We get our +4 lots here at the current price level, but this time we'll go through the orders. And as you can see, very similar to our positions, it's just we do not have an established position yet. And if I'd like, I just simply click on delete. The order was completely removed from the market, and we're now left with no orders, no positions. So we're on a clean slate. It is worth mentioning that if you would like to, you can actually monitor it simultaneously by adding these to your workspace. So if we do take our positions tab here and we, let's say, for example, had a chart, if we like, we can make our chart a bit smaller. We could drag our positions over and then we can monitor at the same time. So it really just depends on how you'd like your workspace to be handled. As you can see, we do have our positions now on the one side. I'll close my alerts window. In that way, we can monitor both at the same time. If you do have multiple windows or multiple monitors, this may be a good solution for you. On one monitor, you can have your positions. On the other, you can have your chart. If you have even more than two, you can have multiple charts, displaying all your positions at once. If you'd like, you can also put your orders there as well. So we can drag it, put our working orders, positions together, and that way we can monitor both, swap back and forth as we need, while simultaneously monitoring our chart. But that just about wraps it up for this video. If you found it helpful, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content on IG, and comment if you have any questions, concerns. Again, if you'd like to try out this platform, feel free to take a look at the card that is displaying right now. If the card is not available to you, check the description down below for a link to the IG trading platform sign up page. It's absolutely free, and you're more than welcome to try it using our link. Thanks for watching.